Let's see the view. When Disney says wilderness, they mean it.
Welcome to Copper Creek. Enjoy a central location near the flowing river basin, here in this wilderness oasis, with a rustic room, both simple yet elegant in furnishing. Outside, the calls of songbirds in the morning beckon you, cup of coffee in hand, to the peace and solitude of the balcony.
I think up means that it's not locked. Are both of them up?
Is there another one?
No, there's one down that Ian's playing with.
Oh my gosh, Ian. Make me look dumb.
Escape the bustle of your busy life here in a secluded getaway. The plants as eager listeners as you unburden your troubles with a sigh of tranquility. The theming is subtle, understated, but magical. Tonight you will dream of tomorrow's adventures, but today prepare your cozy den for an evening of rest and relaxation.
And there's storage space under the bed. What are you doing under there?
There's so much storage under here.
What are you doing under there?
I find it hard to not give in. Some of the best of things to find.
No, we can't. You can see the majesty of it.
Yeah.
Not mine. Where's Dad?
What you making? Really, what you making?
Soup.
Where'd you get those from?
Store.
Did you bring them?
No. Now, after lugging your heavy bag from the airport, you're probably thinking, was it worth it to bring all of my canned goods? Well, Disney's Kitchenette has just the spot for them. And so when you arrive in sunny Florida, you're thinking nothing sounds better than a hot can of soup. Well, they've also provided the can opener for you.
The stresses of travel will wash away as the shower flows over you, your arms open like a flower unfolding its petals for the spring rain.
Because we're going to use the fold-out bed, we put it right here in between the two beds.
Close the curtains to create a soothing twilight. Ah, yes, that's better. That signals to the little cubs it's time to close their eyes. A nap is needed. For Mom and Dad,